The second book on our list is The Sealed Nectar, Al-Raqiq Al-Makhtoom. It's a continuation and a development on the author's first book. In this, the author, Sheikh Safiur Rahman, delves much deeper into the details of the Prophet Muhammad's life and times by analyzing, investigating, and explaining the major events before and after the advent of Islam. There are also moderate detailed accounts of the Prophet's military and political engagements, both in Mecca and in Medina, but in sharp contrast to his first book. It must be noted that in this book, the author focuses less on the moralistic and personal attributes of the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ and focuses more on the environment and events that characterize the Prophet's mission. But like the first book, this one also contains a very clear use of language to convey information directly and without burdening the reader with the use of unnecessary and ornamental paragraphs, which can be intimidating to some, especially those whose first language is not English. The book also contains solid references and is historically sound, which is absolutely essential when learning about historical events, and like the previous book, the information provided here is not mired or clouded by factual inaccuracies or questionable stories. However, it must be noted that this book may not be the best for those seeking to get an intimate and personal portrayal of the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ. However, it is an outstanding book to read when seeking information and details around the life and times of Prophet Muhammad ﷺ. Together with When the Moon Split, these two books could be read back to back for maximum benefit to the reader, as they complement one another very well.